So, you've learned a drum fill from your favorite drummer or record or even YouTube channel. Well, how can you transform this one fill into many? In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to do just that, and that's coming up right now. So here's the premise. Drumming like music is regarded as a language. And yes, I know you've probably heard that a lot, but yeah, it's true. And a language is simply a form of communication, and in the most basic sense, we communicate in terms of topics. So the more we know about a topic, the more confidence we'll have in expressing our ideas about it. Right? So in this video, we're going to take a look at the topic vocabulary, which in this case refers to our musical ideas like drum fills. Transforming drum fills simply means taking one lick and being able to apply to the drum set in many different ways, giving us so many more options to make music, which is the goal. These 2 tips I'm about to show you works for any drum fill. Full disclosure though, this video is not a lick breakdown. It's so much more. My goal is to show you what can be done with a fill after it's learned. We good? Okay. Let's use this epic Larnell Lewis drum fill, and I do mean epic. Here we go. Yeah. Tip number 1, phrasing, which in this context means where in time you play an idea. Now, based on how we're counting, Larnell played his fill on the and of 4. Now, let's move the lick forward just a bit and start on beat 1 instead. Now remember, it's the same idea. Nothing has changed except for the starting point. Okay, now let's hear the lick starting on the and of 4, then on beat 1 back to back, so we can compare how they sound next to each other. So check this, in 1 bar of 4/4, there are 8 possible starting points for this lick, every spot along the 8th note timeline. We already did the and of 4 and then beat 1. Here are the other possible starting points. 1 and, 2, 2 and, 3, 3 and of course, beat 4. We'll call this the timeline. Now check this example of the remaining 6 starting points with my friends Jesse and Andre. Hear how different the lick sounds based on where it starts and ends. So what you just saw us do is the practice step for this concept. Move the lick along the timeline. So the second way to transform this drum fill is with orchestration. Orchestration deals with how things are arranged, and one of the things we can arrange is the order of the hands and feet, also known as the sticking. So let's check some of the stickings on beat 1 and beat 2. Rearranging the sticking allows us to get multiple stickings. Just like we can rearrange the letters in the word asleep to get please and elapse, we can rearrange the sticking on beat 1. Right, left, left, right, right, left to get right, right, left, left, and right, left, right, left. So now let's do the same thing for beat 2, which is right, left, left foot. To get right, left, foot, right, left, and foot, right, left, left. We saw 2 very simple practice steps. The first, be able to play the lick 4 times in a row. In this case, they both sat nice and neat in 1 bar. Number 2, play a bar of a groove and then the lick. I hope this video was helpful and provided you with some practice steps that you could include in your own practice time so you could be a better musician. If you enjoyed this content, then please feel free to like and share this video and let me know your thoughts in the comments below, even if it's just to say hey. I'd love to hear from you. If you're ready for more, click this video right here. See you next time in D Drum Corner.